The goal of Project 3 was to host a group podcast on an issue relevant to Georgia Tech. Our group decided to do our project on the allocation of athletic funds to Georgia Tech. We thought this was an interesting topic considering we pay the student athletic fee and attend athletic events, so we'd like to know what's going on in all that. Throughout this project, we had to research quite a bit, which led to our beginning outline being created. Because we were researching financials, most of our data was in the form of a chart or a financial statement that we used. We then recorded our initial podcast, and this podcast was 10 minutes over the time limit and contained many errors. To fix this, we edited the podcast in Audacity and added sound effects throughout. By the end of the process, we had a 10-minute long podcast that flowed smoothly and had sound effects sprinkled throughout. We then wrote a creator statement justifying all our creative decisions and why we did what we did in our podcast. Doing this project allowed me to learn how to make a podcast and the proper way to go about things while doing it. Welcome back to today's podcast where me and Connor Thomas discuss all the things going on in our life. What's the topic of today's podcast, Connor?
Today's topic is the hit game, Fortnite Battle Royale.